I have tested a lot of different OBD2 scanners, and if you are looking for some that is not that expensive, let's say under $200, but still you want to have as many features as possible, so this will be listed for you. At number 5, we have ThinkScan 662. This is very good scanner. This is 4-system scanner, so it will let you scan not only engine, but you can also scan your ABS, airbag, and transmission modules. And it also comes with service resets. It has about 15 or 20 service procedures you can use, so you can also use it to force your DPF regeneration, doing oil interval reset, adapting a new battery. You have a bunch of these service procedures you can use when you are working on your car. And then you can connect to these 4 systems, ABS, airbag, transmission, and engine, and you can scan for faults, you can read live data, you can erase code, so you will be able to erase your check engine light or other warning lights that are caused by fault codes. And scanner is also bidirectional, so inside these 4 modules you can use bidirectional testing. So for example, in engine you will be able to test your engine fan, relays. That will depend on which bidirectional tests are stored inside your car model, but you can use them with this ThinkScan 662. And this one is designed to last you a long time. You don't have Bluetooth connection, so basically one less thing to worry about. And if you are using wired connection like with this scanner, you don't even have to charge it that often, because every time you connect to car, it will be charging directly from your car. And they will also give you free lifetime updates, so you just only pay once and then you don't have to pay any subscription, any fees. You will also get free updates. Anytime there is new update, you can download these new updates. And if you like this scanner but it bothers you that it is not full system, I will actually have very similar scanner later in this video that is full system and will allow you to work with all control modules, not only 4. But first, at number 4, I want to include the OBDLink MX Plus. OBDLink MX Plus is ELM327 adapter. You can use it with bunch of different apps. They even give you their own app, so if you buy OBDLink adapter, you will get OBDLink app for smartphone that lets you do engine diagnosing. You can read engine faults, you can clear them, you can read engine data, display them as graphs, do these dashboard pages to see your live data when you are driving. And it works not only for your smartphone, it works for both Android and iOS, but it also works for laptops as well. And they even have their own software OBDVs, which you are getting for free if you are buying this adapter. So with this adapter, you are getting OBDVs for laptop, you are getting OBDLink app for smartphone, but then it also lets you connect to different apps. So when you are browsing through your app store, you can just type in ELM327 and all those apps will work with your OBDLink adapter. So you can kind of extend functionality, and then there is a lot of laptop software that works with this adapter as well. For example, some specific software like Multi-EcuScan for Fiat and Alfa, or a bunch of other different softwares. So you'll be able to choose from hundreds of different softwares you can use with just this one adapter. By the way, I also have same article on my website, Best OBD2 Scanners, under $200. It will be linked in description and you can check it out, because I am always updating these lists on my website and there might be already some better picks to choose from, especially if it's long time after I publish this. But let's get back to our list, and then at number 3 we have ThinkDiag 2. ThinkDiag 2 is also scanner for smartphone, but it is most professional scanner for smartphone you can buy. This is comparable with $500 or $600 scan tool and you have it in your phone. So ThinkDiag 2 will let you access every control module, so you can scan really every module in car. If your car has 70 control modules, you will be able to scan all 70 of them. And in every module you can read fault codes, you can clear them, you can see some module information, you can check live data, do live data graphs, live data logging, and even bidirectional testing for every control module. It will also let you do health reports. You can do health reports as PDF, so you can even save reports of your scanned cars. And then what is great, it got ECU coding, so not only you have that full system diagnostic features, you can also code new features for your car. With this ECU coding, you can basically connect to secret menu in car and you can enable some new settings or disable annoying features like seatbelt warnings, but that depends purely on what is stored in your car. So not every car has these secret menus. Basically, the newer car is, the more of the secret options it will have, and you can change them with this ThinkDiag adapter. So basically this adapter is perfect, but it got one catch, and that is really high subscription cost. So when you buy this, it will be about $150. It is also linked in description. On that website you can use my coupon CarHacker for extra 10% discount. And if you buy it, first year of software is free, so you just buy this adapter and you are good for 1 year. But when the 1 year is over, you can extend subscription. It is about $100 for 1 year. Or you will decide not to pay, but then you will be able to use only these basic functions like connecting to engine, reading engine codes, clearing them, and read some engine data. Now, if you like to have adapter without subscription that still does most of these things, you want to get pig number 2, and that is Xtool A30M. Xtool A30M can do basically everything that ThinkDiag 2. It is full system scanner. You can go into every module, read codes, clear them, read live data graphs, data logging. You can do bidirectional tests. It also has service resets. It has even more service resets than ThinkDiag 2. So you can use 26 service resets, and it has free lifetime updates. So you don't have to pay anything. You just buy it once, and then you are getting updates for free. But you will not be able to use ECU coding because this one is without ECU coding. But if you don't need this coding as much, then this is definitely better choice. Cheaper, and will give you basically same power as ThinkDiag 2, only without ECU coding. And then at number 1 we have Mucar 682. Little disclaimer, this is over 200, but I had to include this because this is such a good scanner. It will be about $260 if you use my coupon code and get the discount, and this is very similar to that ThinkScan 662. But difference is that it has 20 service resets, you have 20 service procedures you can use, and it is full system, so everything that ThinkScan does, like reading codes, clearing them, live data, bidirectional testing, all of that you can do for all systems in car. So if car has 20 different modules, with this Mucar you are able to scan all of them. With ThinkScan you would be able to scan only for engine, ABS, transmission and airbag. So this one is very easy to use. It also has wired connection, so it will be charging itself. You have free lifetime updates, so you don't have to worry about paying any subscriptions. And for servicing car at home, it will give you everything you need. So yeah, this is my list of best OBD2 scanners under $200. All of them are linked in description, also article on my website. You can check that out, maybe there are already some new better picks to choose from.